Welcome to a Family Art Workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating glue gun art. The required materials include watercolor paper, liquid watercolors, a pencil, a glue gun with glue sticks, a small bowl, and a paintbrush. Using a pencil, lightly sketch your own design directly onto the paper. Press gently so that the lines remain faint, as these lines are only meant to guide your glue drawing. If your lines are too dark, lightly erase them so that they are barely visible before moving on to the glue gun step. Using a hot glue gun, carefully trace over your pencil lines with hot glue. Once your design is complete, set the paper aside and allow the glue to fully dry before moving on to the next step. Prepare your paint by adding liquid watercolor paint and water to small bowls or a deep paint palette. Mix approximately 3 parts water to 1 part paint, and you only need a small amount of paint to cover multiple areas. Begin painting your design, working one section at a time. The raised glue lines will help contain the paint within each area. Use the tip of your paintbrush to gently guide the color right up to the glue lines for clean, defined shapes. To create variation in color and tone, add fresh paint directly to the areas you want deeper, darker color. In other areas, add drops of clean water to spread the paint and create lighter, softer effects. You can also mix different colors of paint directly on the paper. For example, you can add a touch of yellow on top of green to create a lighter, warmer shade of green. Allow your artwork to dry. This should happen fairly quickly on watercolor paper, but be sure to not tilt or move the paper until all of the water has fully absorbed. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.